Díomh guys cicúilsibh fásta chuig físean buganí defriúil a slightly different video today. I know I'm always kind of pushing the membership over here on the free content we put out on YouTube and also over on Instagram, instagram.com/learnirishonline. But maybe sometimes I've not been too clear on what is it exactly that you get if you sign up as a Learn Irish Online member over on the Patreon site. So if you're on your free trial or you're paying your €7 a month, what is it exactly do you see every day? What is it exactly that is going to help you further improve your Irish and feel more comfortable speaking and understanding the language? Well, today what we're going to do, it's the 25th of March 2024. As I record this, we're going to scroll through the last 1 month of content. Now there's about 7 or 8 months altogether of content going back to the start of August last year. So obviously anytime you sign up, you have access to the full archive, everything we've ever put out. But we'll just look at the last month and everything's that gone up. So we're on the desktop version here of Patreon. The Patreon app is also available on your phone, or you can just go in through the Patreon website and sign up there and log in there. So it works on any device. The first post, guys, is the pinned post about the discount code for the course at Tishkana. So this is straight away one of the big benefits of membership. If you are interested in one of the courses on learnirishonline.com, you get 20% off the course. We got a little video here explaining the course that's also up on YouTube anyway. And the discount code, if I clicked on show more there, it would be further down below. Obviously can't show it here, but if you sign up, you get that discount code, you put it in on the website, you get 20% off all courses. Then after the pin post, the one that went up today, we've got Eish the Rish. What is Eish the Rish? Eish the Rish is a podcast we put out. It's generally about 25 minutes or half an hour like this one long each episode. We put out 20 episodes since last August. So again, the full archive is available as soon as you sign up for your free trial. Essentially, in each episode of Eish the Rish, we listen to 2 clips, which are about 30 seconds long each, of spoken Irish, normally taken from a podcast, the odd time maybe from a news report. And again, we're just listening to it. I play it for you once and I get you to listen to it a few times and try and guess exactly what's being said, try and guess what's actually happening in the piece. And then I go through it line by line and break it down pretty much word for word. We listen to people from different dialects, different types of speakers, people with different levels of Irish, native speakers, non-native speakers. Listen sometimes to clips from my own podcast, a huge big range. And it's essentially aimed at kind of helping you understand Irish better and understand, okay, this word is said like this in this dialect, or the reason she's used this word and not this word is because of this. Literally nitpicking it word for word, so it's going to be much easier to listen back to Eish the Rish again and to understand it all. So that's there, and we've got the links for the 2 clips that are in Eish the Rish number 20. We've got Button to Go here. See if I can get it to play a tiny bit.
A doig.
We do. So again, this is just another video about 13 minutes long. On Button to Go, as you can see, there's 12 episodes of it. In each episode, I essentially give 5 mistakes that I see, really common mistakes every day as an Irish teacher. I break them down, explain why they are mistakes and how to fix them, how to correct them. So 12 episodes by 5 had about 60 of the most common mistakes I see every day as an Irish teacher. Each one talks about it in detail over the course of that series. Gaeilge Weekly, of course, is free content, but you get it a day earlier. Unlike the 4 o'clock Wednesday release time for Spotify and all other platforms, on Patreon, it's a Tuesday 4 o'clock release time, and you get it without the ads and without the little intro bits as well anytime I put ads in. That's for both, of course, the more fluent and the simpler version. On all of these, guys, I should mention, you can comment. You'll see likes and comments up here, and you get to interact with other people. There's a bit of a community growing, and any questions at all about maybe the videos I've put up or about something I've mentioned in one of the videos or podcasts or feedback, I get straight back to you normally within 1 or 2 days, sometimes even a few hours. So it's quite an interactive community throughout. Gaming videos, you can see here a kind of retro game, Harry Potter on the PS1. So again, just 30-40 minutes long. I've played a lot of ones on GeoGuessr as well. I think 7 or 8 videos on GeoGuessr and TimeGuessr. These online games you might know, essentially just me chatting away, Tráchtarach that's Gaeilge commentary in Irish for the full half an hour, 40 minutes as I stream a game. Then we've got a topic breakdown, specifically like these guys, and they're probably the most useful things. Essentially, in each topic breakdown, it's about a 15 or 20-minute video caption video. So it's breaking down a specific topic in each video. In this one, let's say genders and spelling changes, something that people generally have problems with. So I've done others, let's say maybe on the Mocani look, or I've done others on go versus a, which to use when you're saying the word that, ask Goelga. And it's just kind of breaking it down into a really simple, easy to follow guide. If you've ever seen my Made Easy videos over here on the YouTube, there's some of the earliest videos I put up. They're very similar to those, but looking at a bigger range of topics. Again, these tend to get a lot of comments and a lot of people looking for clarification, as we can see here, so they get answered straight away. This is just something to do with the fundraiser we're doing. That was a once-off. Egg Astro, guys, is also quite a fun one. It's a 15-20 minute video normally, and essentially what we do is I give you 6 sentences. Here are the 6 sentences. I'm just going to mute here and you'll actually be able to see the 6 sentences come up. So I give you the 6 sentences and I basically say to you, pause, go away, try and translate each of these from English to Irish, and then we break them down one by one and explain pretty much word for word why the translation is the way it is. We touch on a lot of different things here in terms of Mocani look, as you can see. Irregular verbs, Sirveri here, the copula, Tishiginachuk, a lot of trickier stuff. So that's there. Again, more episodes of Gaeilge Weekly, early access. Also, let's say the new logo for Gaeilge Weekly, that was decided by members. We did a little poll whether the logo should change or not. More H the Rish, so 2 more clips there. Half an hour podcast, again, breaking down these clips line by line. LIO Rish is essentially where I look. It's similar to H the Rish, but I'm actually looking at 2 written news articles in Irish, looking at excerpts from them and reading through them line by line and explaining why they're written the way they're written. Because of this format, it tends to have more of a focus on grammar, more of a focus maybe on spelling, sentence structure, and vocabulary, because you'll get trickier vocabulary, of course, in news articles. So here you can see kind of how we do it. Again, me just reading through an article, an extra G, explaining, okay, Talcorla Tugta Iganvern, why is it Tugta, why is it that order, and so on, and the links are here for you. Again, kind of coming up to repeats now of different ones in the same series. Another gaming video, more Gaeilge Weekly, more Button Nugo, so 5 more mistakes there. Egg Astro, more Ish the Rish. So generally most of these, they come out every 2 weeks, and every week you get about 3 main pieces of content outside of Gaeilge Weekly. So obviously Gaeilge Weekly gets uploaded, the 2 episodes, on the Tuesday, but normally there's an extra piece of content. So maybe a normal week, for example, you'd have the Gaeilge Weekly episodes on Tuesday, you'd have H the Rish on Monday, LIO Rish on a Wednesday, maybe Egg Astro on a Friday. Most weeks 3 pieces of content, some weeks 2 pieces of content. Load a bit more, but this is essentially the last month. Again, more Gaeilge Weekly. So that's pretty much everything. There's also the Gaeilge Weekly bonus episode, guys, which should be here. There it is actually. So episode 40.5, and that comes out once a month, guys. So you get 1 bonus episode of Gaeilge Weekly with a bit of a chilled out, more kind of unscripted format, although not that different from the kind of main shows. That comes out at the end of each month. There's one actually coming out literally the day after this video goes out on YouTube. Okay, so that's essentially it, guys. As I said, we have massive archive. I could keep on going back and back. There's the poll actually about the Gaeilge Weekly logo, so you get maybe a bit of decision making power at times as well with different stuff, or just more input than you would at other times. So that is it, guys. If you're interested, the link will be down below, patreon.com/learnirishonline. It costs €7 a month and you can cancel at any time, but there is a 7-day free trial available, so you can literally sign up for 7 days, go through a load of that content, see if you like it, and if you think it's not for you, you can cancel and you won't have spent a single penny, but you'll have got a lot of benefit from videos and podcasts. Okay, I have no problem with that. Why not? Check it out. There's no point me asking you guys for money unless you can actually have something first that is worthwhile. Okay, so that is essentially it. Any questions below? The link will be in the description anyway, patreon.com/learnirishonline. Any questions, just leave them down below or give me an email at liam.learnirishonline@gmail.com. Gurmina Magi, guys, Slán, go full.